to a G. Let your hair blow in the breeze, want some bomb ass weed. Get high, cruise at a jet speed. Do it like I do it for TV.
Tomorrow we have the big job of take the heads off. It's actually very easy. All the accessories, strip the block down, find out why this is seized. And then if I can get it to turn over, which I might have to take pistons out for, when I turn it over, then I can disconnect the trans from the back, look at the entire timing setup, and then hopefully I have some good timing chains for the heads on this thing. If not, we got big issues. If we do, then that means we're gonna have a running car maybe Sunday night. We'll see how it goes. That's a wrap.
Racing bearings and
Look, we got the new transmission on the engine. We've got to put it all together now. Put it in there. Small update. Everything's getting assembled. We have the transmission attached to the engine here. Just got a few things that have been going on. The wiring harness, the new harmonic balancer, the new head gaskets, the new PCV, the new thermostat, the new water pumps going on. Figured I would do the heads next and do the timing, since that's pretty important for this stage, and then we're gonna worry about doing everything else like pulleys and that after, and then wiring, that stuff. Okay, so today was a big win. We got the engine and transmission put together, a couple little accessories here and there. Heads are on, they're torqued, and they're timed. Okay, so last time you seen this engine, it was getting its timing done over there. We have it installed in the car. Ignore this ugly intake. But we are filling the water and then filling the oil, power steering, etc. Just seeing if we spot any leaks. We have gone through it once and think it's okay. But yeah, if we notice anything, then we'll fix that, and then we'll be on our way to the first start. It's been a really long weekend out here. I've done a lot of work on this car, completely tearing it down, stripping the old engine, putting a new engine block in it, and happy to say it runs. Now, we were having an issue where it didn't start, and that was simply because I missed a couple ground wires, hooked those up, and it fired right up. However, I'm not going to be running it and driving it for at least a couple weeks, maybe a month, until I can afford to order new upper timing chain guides and tensioners, because they're used and we just wanted to see if the car would run, but happily it did. So what I'm going to do is in a couple weeks from now order those parts, and then we're going to install those, and then when it has new timing parts for the top end, we're going to double check the timing, make sure everything's perfect. It runs really solid right now. I'm just not confident with the old timing chains and guides and everything, so I'm gonna order a kit and then everything will be 100%. But yeah, happy to say the car's back together and running good. So yeah, that's it.